Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Hey friends, so now in today's video, I would like to teach you that how you have to view your form 26AS. Now first of all, what is 26AS? So it is nothing but it is the summary of your tax deducted. If the opposite party has deducted your tax and if they have deposited it in government's account, then it gets reflected in your form 26AS. And that tax deducted is nothing but your current asset, or you can capitalize it also, and that amount will be deducted from your total tax payable of this current year. All right, so it's very important for you to view your form 26AS before filing your income tax return. Okay, now many of you don't know that how you have to view your form 26AS, because many times our tax has been deducted by the opposing party and they tell us that just view it online, okay, or it will get reflected online. So what is the meaning of this online, where I would be able to see my tax deducted? Okay, so in today's video I will be telling you that how you have to view your form 26AS or how you have to view your TDS, okay, on government's website. Okay, now I am on the government's website, okay, the website of income tax, and the address for income tax is www.incometaxindia.gov.in. All right, you can see over here incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. After you come to this website, you have the option of login. So you have to log in with the PAN number as user ID. Okay, user ID is nothing but your PAN number, and then you would be having your password. Okay, so just enter your user ID, password, and log in into your portal of income tax. All right. So now after you log in, you get this as your dashboard or your home page. All right. So after coming to this, there is one option. Okay, my account. So you have to go to my account, and there you can see view form 26AS, that is tax credit. Okay, I will click on this. Now I get one notification that you will be redirected to the TDS CPC website to view form 26AS. Okay, just confirm it. Okay, when I confirm it, I just have to acknowledge it. Okay, proceed, and then below you would have two options: view tax credit form 26AS e-verified services on Traces. Traces is nothing but it's also a government website for TDS. Okay, so I will be clicking on this view tax credit form 26AS. All right, so here I get my 26AS summary. Now assessment year, you would be able to view all the tax credit of yourself of many previous years. Okay, it is the summary of all the assessment years for TDS credit. All right, so now currently you can see my date is 12/11/2020. So I would be filing the return for 1920, financial year 1920, and assessment year 2021. All right, so just select the financial years 2021, view as. There are two options, HTML and text. Click on HTML and click on view or download. Okay, so now my TDS summary has been generated for this particular financial year. You can see over here that I was having some FDs in State Bank of India, and they gave me the interest for which they deducted the TDS. On interest, the rate of TDS is 10%. So for 75,000, it is coming around 7,500, and this is the TDS which I will get the credit for. Okay, so in my next video, I would like to tell you that how you can take the credit of this 7,530 rupees while filing your income tax return. All right, so yes, now this is known as form 26AS. Okay, just for your information, I will show you for 2019-20 also. All right, so yes, in State Bank of India, I was having FD and I got interest of 34,000. Okay, where I got my TDS credit of 3,400, that is 10% of 34,048 rupees, and this was my TDS credit for last financial year, for which I took the credit in previous return filing only. So in this way you can view your form 26AS and you would be able to calculate your tax liability for that particular year. Alright friends, so this was about the income tax video. I would like to tell you more about income tax, more about accounting, more about GST, more about tally also. So just subscribe my YouTube channel, keep supporting friends, and if you like my video, do comment in it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do support.